These are 10 creatures that should not exist. Get ready to have your mind blown. The immortal jellyfish. Did you know there is a jellyfish that can literally live forever? It's called the Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny jellyfish, smaller than your fingernail, has cracked the code of mortality. When it faces danger or just gets old, it doesn't die. It reverses its cells and turns itself back into a tiny baby polyp. It's the ultimate reset button. It can do this over and over, theoretically living until the end of time. Basically, it's the Benjamin Button of the ocean, but slimy. The zombie ant fungus. If you've ever watched The Last of Us, this next creature is why that show is terrifyingly accurate. Meet Ophiocordyceps. This parasitic fungus infects the brain of an ant, but it doesn't kill it. It controls it. It forces the zombie ant to climb a high leaf, clamp down with its jaws, and wait. Once locked in place, the ant dies, and a fungal stalk bursts out of its head to shower its spores down onto the colony below. It's a literal biological hijack, and the ant is just a walking, climbing spore delivery system. Nature is brutal. The frozen alive frog. This frog literally freezes solid in the winter. Its heart stops, it stops breathing, and then it comes back to life. The Alaskan wood frog is a master of suspended animation. When temperatures drop, its liver produces massive amounts of glucose, which acts like a biological antifreeze. This prevents ice crystals from forming inside its cells, though the rest of its body turns to ice. It stays that way, rock solid, for months. When spring thaw hits, the ice melts, the heart starts beating, and the frog hops away. It's the only animal that can successfully hit the biological pause button. The underwater sniper, the pistol shrimp. This shrimp snaps its claw so fast, it creates an underwater explosion that reaches the temperature of the sun. The pistol shrimp doesn't use venom or sharp claws to hunt. It uses physics. When it snaps its oversized claw, it creates a cavitation bubble that collapses with a loud crack. The shockwave is so intense that the bubble briefly hits over 4,700 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface, and stuns its prey with pure concussive force. Forget sharp teeth. The most dangerous predator in the ocean is a shrimp that uses sound and heat to hunt. The blood-squirting lizard. This lizard has a defense mechanism so shocking, it's one of the grossest things in nature, shooting blood from its eyes. The horned lizard is built to survive. When threatened by a predator like a coyote, it restricts blood flow from its head, building massive pressure. Then, it strategically ruptures tiny vessels around its eye sockets, squirting a stream of blood up to 5 feet away. The blood tastes terrible to canines, forcing them to retreat. It's a biological panic button, and it works every time. The electric eel. The electric eel doesn't just shock you, it can generate enough voltage to knock out a horse. The newly discovered Electrophorus volti can generate up to 860 volts. Its body contains 3 organs that act like biological batteries. They stack voltage on demand, allowing the eel to use a massive charge not just for stunning small fish, but to deliver a defensive shock capable of dropping a large mammal. It uses its voltage like a taser, not just a stun gun, stunning nerves and muscles instantly. Keep your hands out of the Amazon. The regenerating worm. If you cut this worm into 200 pieces, you don't get 200 dead pieces, you get 200 brand new worms. The planarian worm is the closest thing on Earth to true regeneration. If you cut it across or lengthwise, the pieces will simply grow back into fully functional individuals. Even a tiny sliver containing only specialized cells can regenerate a full brain, eyes, and digestive system. Scientists study it to unlock the secrets to healing and cellular repair in humans. It's less of an animal and more of a biological cheat code. The mind-controlled slug. This parasite takes control of a slug's brain and turns its eyes into flashing, pulsating green sacs. A parasitic flatworm called Leucochloridium infects snails and then manipulates them. It migrates to the snail's eye stalks and begins to flash and pulse. This forces the slug to climb into the light, where the flashing eyes resemble a juicy caterpillar, attracting birds who eat the snail and continue the parasite's life cycle. The bird bird gets a meal, and the parasite gets a new host. The slug gets, well, nothing but a miserable end. The box jellyfish venom. This creature's venom is so potent it's considered the deadliest on Earth, capable of killing a human in minutes. The box jellyfish, or sea wasp, is almost invisible in the water. Its venom contains toxins that simultaneously attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. The pain alone is excruciating, but its real danger is causing cardiac arrest almost instantly in humans. This creature has been estimated to have enough venom in one individual to kill over 60 people. It truly is the assassin of the ocean. The tarantula hawk wasp. This wasp's sting is considered one of the most painful in the world, and it uses it to turn a tarantula into a living incubator. The tarantula hawk wasp actively hunts the massive tarantula spider. Its sting is purely paralytic, not lethal. The wasp drags the still-living, paralyzed spider back to its burrow, lays an egg on its abdomen, and buries it. The larvae hatches and slowly consumes the spider from the inside out, saving the vital organs for last. The spider is conscious the entire time. It's truly a horror movie scenario played out daily in the wild. Whether it's the parasite that turns eyes into disco balls or the tiny jellyfish that mastered immortality, nature's rulebook is nothing but a suggestion. If you had to face one of these 10, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments.